Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook. I got to come back as a sous chef, and I got to help Emily secure a win. Shimley definitely had some apprehension and some anxiety about what the judges were gonna choose for her. But in the end, they chose Creole, a cuisine that Emily is not fully immersed in, but knows enough about. And I grew up on this kind of food. So with Emily's skill in the kitchen and the combination of our palates, she secured a win to move on to the finals. So today, I'm gonna make gumbo. So for this, we're gonna need some all-purpose flour. We've got some parsley stems, smoked paprika, and a little bit of heat wave from Isaac Toops. Parsley, okra, some nice large shrimp, 8 cloves of minced garlic. We've got our Trinity, some andouille, and a little bit of bay leaf. The key to gumbo, though, is the roux. It is the basis. It's one of the main flavor components to the gumbo. Go in equal parts, oil to flour. And we're gonna cook it down until we get to a nice dark chocolate roux. Gumbo is definitely one of those dishes that everyone has the correct traditional one. There's even arguments to what color roux it has to be. Some like it as dark as a penny, and others like that dark chocolate roux. Neither of them are incorrect. The lighter a roux is, the more thickening power it has, but the darker a roux has, the more flavor it has. So I tend to lean towards a dark chocolate roux, which takes time. You have to sit there and massage it, relax, drink a beer, drink 2 beers. Or if you don't drink a lemonade. But it's gonna take some time. If you are inexperienced making a dark roux, take your time. Don't try and rush it. You want to develop those nice, dark, rich flavors. Now this is really important. Make sure you have all of your mise en place done before you start your roux. A dark roux is something you can't step away from because it goes from being perfect, dark, and rich to burnt in seconds. All right, we've reached the perfect color for our roux. Now we're gonna take our Trinity and drop that right in. That's gonna stop the roux from cooking and blanch all of our vegetables at the same time. We just need to saute all of our vegetables for at least 5-10 minutes, just until our onions start to become translucent. Next up, our andouille, followed by our garlic. Now at this point, we're just cooking everything until we can smell all of the garlic. Now let's sprinkle in our spices, the heat wave and smoked paprika, and we're gonna start with about 1 tablespoon of salt. Add in our bay leaves. Now when you add your stock, pour it in slowly. Give it a little stir. Add a little more. I'm just using some low sodium chicken stock. Now for our okra and our parsley stems. Now we're gonna let this simmer for at least 45 minutes to really build all those flavors. Look how beautiful that looks. Now always taste as you go. You might need a little more seasoning, maybe some more paprika, a little more salt, some black pepper. Taste test. It's gonna be about 15 to 20 more minutes, just until that okra is cooked all the way through. Then we're gonna add in our shrimp and finish it off. Now that our okra is fully cooked, we're gonna add in 1 pound of large shrimp. It's only gonna cook for about 5 more minutes, and we're gonna take it off the heat. All right, now let's finish with some fresh parsley and some scallions mixed together. Now if you can get some filet powder, I highly recommend adding a little bit in. Now traditionally, it's served over big bed of rice, but Emily chose to do it with some nice crusty bread. Make sure we get one of those nice big shrimps right on top, or 2. Oh yeah, there we go. And there is our shrimp gumbo. Now for the final taste test. Get some okra on there, some of the andouille. So hot. There's just nothing quite like gumbo. Get one of those jumbo shrimp on there. Gumbo perfectly represents the melting pot that is the United States. There are so many cultures that went into making what we know as gumbo today. If you want to check out the rest of my recipes from Yes Chef Season 1, click right there. If you want to check out some of my cocktails for Thirsty Thursdays, click up there. Until next time, I'm Ron the Cook.